it just got like really bad. I don't know where the tornado is right now, but it is obviously pretty close considering that tree doesn't normally move like that. That tarp over there was just flapping vigorously. Oh, there it goes again. It's taking everything I have to hold this camera. So those doors back there in that little tan shed just flopped open. I'm getting hit with twigs. Man, I wish I could catch that tornado on camera. I don't know, but I see something in the distance in the clouds. Probably nothing. Wow. This is pretty cool. Ah! That took my necklace away. That wouldn't be good considering that's not mine. Yeah, if I was allowed outside, I would be outside. But I'm not. So, ow! Twigs hurt. See that tree? Yeah! The hammock? That tree's over there, straight up. This is pretty cool. Okay, I think I'm gonna go inside now.